today's video, I got 3 most powerful ingredients that is going to help make your hair grow faster. The first one is fresh lavender, and I did wash my lavender. And the second one is rosemary. I also washed the rosemary. Then I'm going to chop the fresh aloe vera gel off camera. I already do has about 4 to 5 different aloe vera gel video on this channel. That's why I chop it off camera. So I am just going to boil it for like 10 to 15 minutes and let it cool down before screening it. Alright, this is why I am telling you these 3 ingredients are the most powerful ingredients for natural hair growth. So let's start with lavender. Since it's the first ingredients that I use in this DIY. Lavender has been used there over centuries in skincare and hair care, and even today we are still using lavender. Lavender is known for its amazing scent. That's why most people add it in the skincare and hair care. And guys, fresh lavender is definitely going to grow your natural hair healthier and faster. That's why I add lavender into this DIY. So let's talk about our next ingredients, which is rosemary. Rosemary is known for its amazing smell in food, but most people like to use the fresh one to promote healthy hair growth. The reason why I keep adding aloe vera gel into my DIY because it saved my natural hair a lot. Guys, if you have 4C natural hair, you know the struggle. Aloe vera gel keep moisture in the hair, it promotes healthy hair growth, it also cleans the scalp. And guys, get yourself some fresh aloe vera gel, then you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Don't forget to check it out if you are having dryness in your hair and your scalp is itching, dandruff, and a whole lot of natural hair issues that you are dealing with. This particular miracle hairspray is definitely going to help save your natural hair. If you did try lavender hairspray, or if you did try rosemary hairspray, or maybe you try aloe vera gel hairspray before, let me know in the comment below. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.